Just follow the seam. Goodness right here. Let's cut down the middle. Ta-da! Hello friends, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in again. Prime rib. Holidays upon us, and prime rib is the perfect cut to cook during Christmas. So here I have almost 13-pound prime rib from Costco. We're gonna open this bad boy up. Always cut from the fat side. It'll score the meat. Get rid of the gray back. And we're gonna pat this thing dry. So I'm gonna trim a little bit of this fat, some silver skin, some of it you just separate by hand. You don't even have to use a knife yet, like this right here. Just follow the seam. We're gonna thrust this prime rib to keep it in shape while it's cooking. Like that. Start from the middle here. Twist twice. And 2 nuts. Have it all tight, looking nice. So for this cook I'm using basic flour, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of cumin, mace and cardamom. For that, because it's the holidays, I'm gonna add some mixed herb to it. This is herb de Provence. And then we're gonna mix everything together. Now time to slather this with that sauce right there. I don't know how to say it. Should be enough. Now we're gonna go very liberal on this seasoning. It's a big hunk of meat. Oh, I can smell the herb mixed with the seasoning. Beautiful. Oh, this is gonna be good. I'm very excited for this cook. There we go. So, prime rib, seasoned, primed, cleaned up. We're gonna let it hang in the fridge overnight on this cooling rack until tomorrow, and I'm gonna smoke this on the offset smoker. Welcome back, friends. Thank you for tuning in again. Another day, another cook. Today we're cooking a prime rib for the holidays. I need some kindlings. Smoker up to temp. We're looking at 250 right now, and we're gonna start this cook. Prime rib ready. I flipped these wire racks. It's easy to move if you want to rotate your meat. If you put it straight like this, it's hard to rotate on the grate. So this will sit right here in the middle. So this nice color already on it. All the seasoning looks good. Some herbs in there, some garlic. Very nice. So I'll be checking every maybe an hour or two. Fire is dying a little bit. I'm gonna add a log or two. But these will catch fast. Once this white smoke clears out, I'm gonna close this door I let this prime rib cook. So far so good. It's going good so far. Alright, let's close this door and get cooking. Time we check on this meat. Looking good. Since this cook starts, we're probably almost 2 hours in this cook, and this looking good. As you see, this time I'm using these probes. Like I said, I don't want to mess up this cut of meat. Get you up close a little bit. What I have here is my rosemary brush with some butter. I'm just gonna baste this prime rib with this goodness here. I don't want to wash out this seasoning. Color looking good so far. Very nice. A little gentle. Alright. We're gonna let this prime rib finish cooking, and we'll check back when it hits 125, 130. So 3 hours in. Fire doing good. Still holding at 250. Oh wow, that's a beautiful color there. Smell is good too. Here now, I have my butter and rosemary brush. Baste this prime rib with this goodness right here. It smells good too. Look good. I'd say maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes, not even. So, prime rib is done. These are deep from the sides. This one is in the middle. So by the time it rests, the carryover would bring it to 130, 135. That's exactly what I want. Anything less than 135 for me is good. Medium rare. I don't want it bloody, but this looks good to me. Now I'm gonna pull out this prime rib and let it rest for 20-25 minutes. All right. Stuff is hot. This prime rib rested 25 minutes. Now we're gonna cut into it. A little hot. Okay. Let's cut down the middle. Ta-da! Beautiful. Nice medium rare. A little bit of gray here, but it's okay. The whole prime rib is a good medium rare. Oh, this is juicy. Nice. Let me cut from this rib.I cap. Oh wow, a nice medium rare prime rib. Smokiness is perfect, seasoning is perfect, everything is excellent on this cook. Very happy with this cook. With that being said, happy holidays. Thank you for tuning in again. If you like this content, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. It helps a great deal. And again, happy holidays. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.